Good morning, students. How are you? Fine at your place? This is the eighth part of chapter number 6 of second book, Democratic Resurgence. We were discussing about the emergency. Today we will discuss what happened during emergency. Government said that it used emergency to maintain law and order in the country because law and order was in danger during the emergency and it was disturbing the efficiency of the government. So to restore the efficiency of the government, emergency was imposed. And well, what happened? The government at that time declared 20 points program for the welfare of the people. Students, 20 points program were for the poor people. Many provisions were made in this 20-point program for the welfare of the poor people. The poor people, they were expecting that if emergency will be implemented and these welfare programs will be implemented effectively. So different sections of society had different expectations from the emergency. The middle class people, they were not happy with this, but these poor people, they were expecting more. These 20-point programs, they include land reforms, land redistribution, review of agricultural wages, workers' participation in management, and eradication of bonded labor. These were some points of 20 points program which were announced by Indira Gandhi, and she said that I am determined to implement these programs for the welfare of the poor people. The urban middle class people, they were happy. Why they were happy? They thought that agitations have came to an end and the government employees will be now disciplined. There will be less corruption. During emergency, there will be discipline among the government employees. The poor people and the rural people, they expected that if these 20 points program will be implemented effectively for the welfare of the people, then it will be benefited for us. But the critics said that these expectations of people were not fulfilled. They said these promises were false promises. These 20 points program were just to divert their attention from the excesses done by the government during the emergency. We have studied that government has misused the power of preventive detention and custodial death. Means a person can be arrested without the prior permission of court if the government feels that he or she is engaged in anti-national activities. Several restrictions on press were made. I have discussed earlier press censorship. Sanjay Gandhi, the younger son of Indira Gandhi, he had kept the control over the administration. Various excesses were done by the people by the employees on the order of Sanjay Gandhi. He gained control over the administration and interfered in the functioning of the government. What he has ordered? Demolition of the houses of poor people, forced sterilization in Delhi. These are the two controversial decisions done by Sanjay Gandhi. And the people were forced for family planning. So all these points were against the emergency, and these excesses were done by the government during the emergency. Tomorrow we will discuss what lesson we have learned from emergency. Till then, goodbye. Take good care of yourself.